Angels.
Dale a tu cuerpo la alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para darle alegría y cosas buenas. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
Chase it loud.
Left side hit, right side hit, right side hit. Everybody break the limit. Ignite, fire. Move, higher. Hands up strong, feel the drive, burn the floor, come alive. Ignite, feel it. Move higher. Lose control, let it take you. This is real, I'm breaking through.
Feel the bass, run down, set the pace. No momentum, no excuse. It's a few you cannot lose.
1, 2, 3, go harder. 1, 2, 3, go harder. 1, 2, 3, go harder. 1, 2, 3, go harder.
Look around the room and shaking, everybody's fully taken.
Stop it. Speed it up.
Power.
Thank you, Power Panthers, for wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for one of the most delightful events of the day, the LKG and UKG obstacle race. Our tiny tots may be small in size, but they are filled with boundless energy, enthusiasm and determination. As they pick the balls, place it in the baskets, crawl through the tunnel and run to their destination. Let's encourage them with a big round of applause. The kiddos are now ready on their starting line. Audience, give them a huge round of applause. What a brilliant start. Come on, kiddos, pick up the balls. Come on. And here, they put the first ball in the basket. Come on, kiddos, you can do it. Come on, run fast, pick up the balls. Come, you can do it. Run faster, kiddos, you can do it. tunnel. Come on, kiddos. You can do it. Audience, encourage them. Give a huge round of applause. Congratulations, champions. The next set of kiddos are now ready on their starting line. They are waiting for the command. A huge round of applause for all our runners. They're getting ready on the track. The excitement is building. And here they go. What a brilliant start by small athletes. Come on, buddies, pick up the balls. Come on, place in the basket. Come on, run fast. Come on, buddies, run fast. Here comes the last ball. Our tiny thoughts are filled with determination. Come on, kiddos, you can do it. Run faster. And here, they crawl through the play tunnel. Audience, give them a huge round of applause. Come on, run. The finish line is in sight. And here, what a fantastic finish. Congratulations, winners. Our next set of girls are now ready on the starting line.
1, 2.
And they're off. What a brilliant start. Come on, kiddos, do it. And here, they pick up the first ball. Come on, kiddos, run faster. Come on, buddies, run fast. Here comes the last ball. Come on, girls, run fast. Come on, put it in the basket. Come on, girls, run fast. And here they crawl through the tunnel. Come on, buddies, run fast. The finish line is on sight. Congratulations, dear winners. A huge round of applause for all our kiddos. The courage to begin. Audience, give our champions a huge round of applause. The next set of champions are now ready on their starting line. They're waiting for the command.
1, 2.
And they're off for a beautiful sprint by our girls. Come on, buddies, pick up the balls. Come on, place in the basket. Run fast. Come on, the next ball. Come on, girls, run fast. Run fast. And here comes the last ball. Come on, buddies. Run faster. You can do it. And here, they crawl through the play tunnel. Come on, kiddos, you can do it.
Success has no age. Even the smallest achievers deserve the biggest applause. Now I request our esteemed chief guest to distribute the medals to the well-deserved. Nursery, first place goes to
Bhavani S.
third place goes to
Aaron Sibelius Das. And first place goes to Ayan Tej. Second place goes to Banvi S. And third place Ararthika Bashak Ray. And first place goes to Jitisha. Second place goes to Lionel Thomas Palamutham. And third place goes to Hanika Yen. And first place goes to Neerav KV. Second place goes to Pemana Hanshika Reddy. Third place goes to Muhammad Azan Sheikh. And first place goes to Siddharth M. Second place goes to Takshvi Nishad. And second place goes to Zayan Faisal. And third place goes to Pristina D'Souza. 100 meters relay. First place goes to Alvin of Yellow House. Second place goes to Aditya of Red House. Third place goes to Dhruvan of the Green House. First place goes to Nishta of Yellow House. Second place goes to Parvana of Blue House. Third place goes to Bethany of Red House. 100 meter dash for 6th standard boys. First place goes to Solomon Simon. Second place goes to Aryan. Third place goes to Ayush Best. And first place goes to Saindavi. Second place goes to Carolyn. Third place goes to Prerana Shetty.
Now I request Reverend Brother Anthony Raj CSE to honor Mr. Rajesh with a shawl.
And first place goes to Ullas of Greenhouse. Second place goes to Pratyut of Blue House. Third place goes to Varun of Yellow House. Girls. First place goes to Pujita of
Leaders
Red
are
House.
not born. They are made through discipline, determination, perseverance, and the courage to lead by example. Our next presentation, Future Leaders, the Leader Squad, is a vibrant display by the students of classes 3rd and 4th. Through their energy, confidence, and synchronized movements, these young performers remind us that leadership begins with responsibility, teamwork, and the willingness to make a positive difference. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our future leaders, the Leader Squad, as they inspire us with the leaders of tomorrow. Give them a big round of applause.
Whistle blows, ready, go. Hands up high, hands down low. Side to side, here we go. Stomp your feet on the ground. Jump out, hands out, turn around. Ready, go. Everybody ready? Yeah. Everybody move your body. Woo. Everybody ready? Yeah. Boom, boom, hey. Boom, boom, hey. Everybody ready? Everybody move your body. Whoa. Everybody ready? Yeah. Boom, boom, hey. Boom, boom, hey. Ole, ole, ole. We are all winners. Ole, ole, ole. Boom, boom, hey. Boom, boom, hey. Ole, ole, ole. We are all winners. Ole, ole, ole. Boom, boom, hey. Boom, boom, hey.
Neon flash, shadows on the street. Feel the pressure, feel the heavy heat. From the favela to the worldwide team, we're the kings of the digital machine. There's a key, let the rhythm take flight. Alright, dominance in the middle of the night. Mangatum coma, moving your frame. This is the fun, remember the name.
Walking down the shoreline, beauty in the frame. Every eye is watching, they're calling out your name.
Say what?
She got the movement, the tropical vibe, bringing all the heat, keeping the spirit alive. When she steps into the venue, she creates a scene. The baddest in the dance, she rule like a queen.
So let me hear you say bombastic fantasy. Move your body close and write your history.
Ay, que caliente, the sun is going down, but the fire's burning brighter when you come around. Siente el ritmo, feel the bassline drop. Once we start to dance, we ain't never gonna stop. Oh, you dance with me under the palm trees, feel the island breeze, do it just like this. Caliente, caliente.
Girl, the way you twist and you bend it, you absolute trend it. The energy you send in the party never ending. Me love the way you drop it to the reggaeton bounce. Every single gram of your rhythm in ounces. Watch the style, watch the grace, watch the look on your face. Sean Paul and Shakira locking down the whole space. Wind up your waistline, pull up to the baseline. No time for wasting this sweet vibe we tasting. Let's go, let's go.
Ay, que caliente, the sun is going down, but the fire's burning brighter when you come around. Siente el ritmo, feel the bass. Once we start the dance, we ain't never gonna stop. Oh, you dance with me under the palm trees, feel the island breeze, do it just like this. Caliente,
உயர்ந்ததே நாளை என்றும் உன் பக்கம் உன்னை நீ நம்பி நின்றால் சிகரம் கூட சிறு துளிதான் சூரியனும் தலை வணங்கும் நாளை உந்தன் வெற்றி கண்டு நம்பிக்கை கொண்டிருந்தால் வானம் கூட ஒளிவிடுமே ஒரு தீ ஒரு புயல் நெஞ்சில் எழுகவே மயக்கம் இன்றி தடைகள் வென்றால் உலகம் வணங்குமே சிங்கமே எழு சிங்கமே எழு நீதான் உன் பலம் கொஞ்சம் எழுந்து நின்றால் காலம் மாறும் சிங்கமே எழு சிங்கமே எழு தை உன்னால் வெற்றி உந்தன் காலில் சாயும்
Thank you, students, for your vibrant performance.
Behind every medal lies countless hours of determination. Ladies and gentlemen, football is more than just a game. It is a celebration of teamwork, passion, discipline, and the relentless pursuit of its every goal and every victory is a result of determination and unity. Now, our talented students of class 5th and 6th are ready to bring the electrifying spirit of the FIFA World Cup to life through the spectacular display titled Champions. From the roar of the stadium to the thrill of the final whistle, this performance captures the excitement, sportsmanship, and the global unity that makes football the world's most loved sport. So, fasten your seatbelts for a thrilling football extravaganza as our young champions dribble their way into your hearts. Let's welcome our future stars with a thunderous round of applause as class 5th and 6th present champions.
Hear the drums begin. Let the games begin.
2026. The world is ready
From crowded streets to giant fields, every heart refuses to yield.
Every flag is waving high like a rainbow in the sky.
Feel the rhythm, feel the heat.
Thousands dancing to the beat.
Tonight the whole world moves as one.
Raise your voice and sing it loud.
Feel the power of the crowd.
Every dream is on its way.
This is our day. Together we can touch the stars. El mundo canta. El mundo canta.
Taking us higher.
Every nation, every dream.
United on one team.
El mundo canta. Hear the call.
One heart, one game, one dream for all. From city lights to ocean shores. Football, you're
been there through it all, been through it all. Just do it again. Now you got to believe, I believe, 'cause you know what it takes to believe in my dream. At the top of your game, feel it, got everything you need it. Now bring it like you need it, just like you need it. Olvida lo que vale, juega como tú sabes, como tú sabes.
Feel it, it's you are. Now it's over. Feel it's getting closer. Feel it, it's you are. Many will come to take the spot. There only can be one at the top. Try to keep up with me. You got what it takes. Better shoot if you got the shot. So if you wanna try to get what's mine, hurry up, you ain't got too much time. Before it turns into regret, oh, you better not forget. Feel it, let it wild. For the night is over. It's getting closer. Feel it, let it wild.
Thank you, students, for your wonderful performance.
Words of wisdom have the power to inspire minds, dreams, and leave a lasting impact on every heart. Now I invite Ms. Darshini to introduce our guest of honor. It is a great privilege to introduce our guest of honor, Mr. Harry Boniface Prabhu, a quadriplegic wheelchair tennis player from Bengaluru. He has represented India 81 times across 6 sporting disciplines. He made history by becoming the first Indian to win an international Paralympic medal, securing gold in shot put and silver in discus at 1998 World Championships in the UK. His remarkable achievements have earned him the Padma Shri, Rajyotsava Award and Eklavya Award. Sir, your courage, perseverance and excellence continue to inspire generations. We are truly honored to have you with us today. Thank you. It is now my privilege to invite our esteemed guest of honor to address this august gathering.
Fathers, sisters, brothers, and wonderful teachers, supporting staff, and you wonderful parents and grandparents, and of course today's those little superstars. Give them a big round of applause. I'm very fortunate to be a part of this Silver Jubilee sports meet of Holy Cross, and I wanted to share a few things with parents. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. How many of you follow Kannada? Very good. Okay, then I go with both Kannada and English and all that, okay? Mainly this thing I wanted to convey to the parents, okay? So, dear students, it's very important for all of us to be a sportsman. Suppose, see, many of you would have not heard about a wheelchair tennis player. Wheelchair tennis and a couple of other sports that I've represented India 81 times. So today I see a lot of Indian champions, and I see future champions in youngsters like you. But first I wanted to tell you that we all are responsible to this country, to ourselves, to our parents, to this wonderful community, to the school, to the college, and so on and so forth. Dear parents, teach your children how to respect the elderly, mainly the women, because women are the source of our tomorrow. So every child, please groom them with a lot of respect. And it is our responsibility. Yes, school, wonderful schools like this, many other schools will give them a good qualification. But good education starts with parents, grandparents, and the community. Okay? So I'm sure you will agree with me. Today, you have one person who's on a wheelchair. Okay? So I want you to have a wheelchair-bound people to be inclusive of this community, this beautiful set of community, for which we have to make a lot of difference, for which we have to make a lot of changes. Okay? There should not be a separate school, a separate college for physically challenged people or intellectually challenged people or visually challenged people or hearing impaired people, for which I have started a movement called Let's Walk Together, Talk Together, and See Together. So I have time to explain, but I don't want the children to get into the hot sun. Okay? So it is our responsibility. See, somebody can help, somebody can nurture, but it is our responsibility how sensitive we are to the community. Okay? And I see a lot of things these days. People have a lot of negativity in their upbringing. Please don't. See, we are all being loved by God. It doesn't matter which religion you belong to, but God is love. God is patience. Okay? And if you learn that, nothing like it. And teach your children the beautiful thing of God. That's more important. Okay? And I wish all the youngsters and the future stars of tomorrow to be grateful to this country. See, when I was small, there's a saying like, Padoge, likoge, banoge nawab, keloge, kudoge, ojoge kharab. But that's not the trend now. You can make sports as your career. Like we have IPL cricket, we have football league, we have hockey league, we have tennis league, we have kabaddi league. Okay, anything you play for fun, for anything, but tomorrow that can also be a career. So dear parents, I want you to encourage your children, because sport is only one medium that helps your child what is to win and what is to lose. You win, okay, great. Then you will learn to sustain, how to be winning. When you lose, then you overcome your mistakes. There's nothing, nobody is replace you or substitute for yourselves. So it is only you who has to groom your children. Of course, the school is doing their best, but it is our duty, it is our responsibility that we as parents to take that much liberty and grace for our children, because we love them the most. Okay? So with this words, I want to thank the management for having me here, and for you wonderful tiny little stars who did a great display. Okay, the display should not end at the school level. It should go to the college, to the district, to the state, to the national, to the international level. You have noticed one thing, that we whether you call it Paralympics or Para-Asian Games or I being a tennis or Commonwealth Games or so on. So take inspiration from all of them. Nothing is going to stop you. So parents, dear parents, tell your children, sport is a very meaningful essence in life. Okay, I wish all the best and God bless each one of us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for inspiring words.
Its strength and unity is its identity. This vibrant display is a tribute to India's rich heritage and the spirit of unity in diversity. Through the graceful bamboo dance, the rhythmic lesson, the synchronized wand drill, the energetic dumbbell drill, the colorful flag drill and the melodious tambourine drill, our students beautifully blend tradition, discipline, rhythm and teamwork. Every moment reflects the values that have shaped our institution over the past 25 glorious years. Faith, knowledge, service, unity and excellence. Please sit back, relax and enjoy this grand Silver Jubilee presentation. Let's welcome our talented students of classes 7th to 9th with a huge round of applause as they present celebration.
ಕಟ್ಟಲೆ ಹಲೆ ಹಂಬಲ ಉಯ್ಯಲೆ ಯಾಡೆ ಮುಟ್ಟ ಗಲಲ ಬೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಸೆಪ್ಪಾಲಲ ಸುಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲೆ ಮಾರಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲೆ ಹಲೆ ಹಂಬಲ ಉಯ್ಯಲೆ ಯಾಡೆ ಮುಟ್ಟ ಗಲಲ ಬೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಸೆಪ್ಪಾಲಲ ಸುಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟೆ నేరేలో తడచో సగడే ఓ సుట్టే నేరేలో తడచో సగడే ఓ సుట్టే కై బిట్టిల్లర ನೋಡಲೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲರ ನೋಡಲೆ ಕೈ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲರ ನೋಡಲೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲರ ನೋಡಲೆ ಹತ್ತಲೆ ಮಾರಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲೆ ಹಲೆ ಹಂಬಲ ಉಯ್ಯಲೆ ಯಾಗೆ ಬುಟ್ಟಗಲಲ ಬುಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಸೆಪ್ಪಾಲಲ ಸುಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ನೀರನ ಕುಳಿತಿನೋ ಕಣ್ಣು ನೀರನ ಕುಳಿತಿದೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ನೀರನ ಕುಳಿತಿನೋ ಕಣ್ಣು ನೀರನ ಕುಳಿತಿದೆ ಬಡಿಕಿ ತಿಂದೆ ನೆರಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣನ ಹರಿಕಿ ತಿಂದೆ ಸೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಣ್ಣನ ಬಡಿಕಿ ತಿಂದೆ ನೆರಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣನ ಹರಿಕಿ ತಿಂದೆ ಎಪ್ಪುರಣ್ಣನ ಹತ್ತಿಕಿದೆ ದಾದಿರ ಅಣ್ಣನ ನಂಗ ತಿಂಗವ ದಾದಿರ ಅಣ್ಣನ ನಂಗತಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬಡಿತಿದಿನೋ ದಾದಿರ ಅಣ್ಣನ ನಂಗತಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬಡಿತಿದಿನೋ ಹಟ್ಟಲೆ ಮಾರಲೆ ತಟ್ಟಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲೆ ಹಲೆ ಹಂಬಲ ಉಯ್ಯಲೆ ಯಾಡೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಗಲಲ ಬೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಸೆಪ್ಪ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಸೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟೆ ನಿರನ ಕುಡಿತಿದಿನೋ ನಿರನ ಕುಡಿತಿದೆ ನಿರನ ಕುಡಿತಿದಿನೋ ನಿರನ ಕುಡಿತಿದೆ
ಅಕ್ಕಯ್ಯ ನೋಡುವಾರೆ ಚೆಲ್ವನ ಚಿಕ್ಕವಳೆ
ಎಲ್ಲ ದಾರಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಬರಿ ಮಾತಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಕುಣೀರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕುಣೀರು ನಮ್ಮದು ಮಾದಯ್ಯ ಮುಂದೆ ಪಕ್ಕಿ ಕುಣೀರು ಎತ್ತು ಕುಣೀರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕುಣೀರು ನಮ್ಮದು ಮಾದಯ್ಯ ಮುಂದೆ ಪಕ್ಕಿ ಕುಣೀರು ಏಳು ಮರ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ನೀ ಕುಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವ ನಗು ಮರ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ನೀ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡು ಮಾದೇವ ಈ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಸಾಕು ನೀ ಎತ್ತುಗಾರು ಬಿಡಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ದಾರಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಬರಿ ಮಾತಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಕುಣೀರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕುಣೀರು ನಮ್ಮದು ಮಾದಯ್ಯ ಮುಂದೆ ಪಕ್ಕಿ ಕುಣೀರು ಎತ್ತು ಕುಣೀರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕುಣೀರು ನಮ್ಮದು ಮಾದಯ್ಯ ಮುಂದೆ ಪಕ್ಕಿ ಕುಣೀರು
ಪವಿತ್ರ ಭೂಮಿ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆ ಮುದ್ದು ಕಂದ ತಾನು ಉಯ್ಯಾಲ ಬಾಡಲಾರ ಸಿಂಹನು ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಪುಟವು ಮರೆಯಲಾರದಂತ ವೀರ ತಾನು ರೆನಾಡ ಸೀಮೆ ಹೆತ್ತ ಸೂರ್ಯನು ಮೃತ್ಯುವೇ ಬಂದು ಚಿರಾಯುರಸ್ತು ಎನ್ನಲು ಪ್ರಸೂತಿ ಗಂಡವ ಜಯಿಸಿದಂಥವ ಮಗನ ಶಿರವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮಸ್ತು ತನಗೆ ಎನ್ನಲು ಕ್ರಾಂತಿಗಾಗಿಯೇ ಜನಿಸಿದಂಥವ
students for your mesmerizing performance. Behind every successful child stands a loving mother. Dear mothers, the field now belongs to you.
Now we request all the ladies to come and participate in the parents' event. Come on, mamas.
A kind request to all the mothers, please come forward and participate in the game. Yes, we can see the mothers coming up. Very good. Please come and take a participation. The game is held for you, mothers. Come on. The day is yours. Let's shine up. Come on, mothers.
Dear mamas, your kids are watching. Come on, show your participation.
Wow, what a great inspiration towards the game. Yes, we welcome you mothers to the ground. The ground belongs to you. Cheer up to all the mothers.
One day we can see few mamas in the ground. Come on, mamas.
Requesting other mothers to please join. Mothers, the day is yours today. Please, ladies, let's show the power of the ladies. Please, come. The field belongs to you. Dear mothers, the day is yours and the chance is held to you. It's your day. Let's have the chance and let's take a participation. Let's the winning आइए और इस गेम में ज्वाइन कीजिए. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ದಿನ. ಬನ್ನಿ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ.
Dear parents, please spread out around the circle. Please spread out around the circle. Spread out around the circle.
എല്ലാ മമ്മിയാൾക്കും ഒരു സ്വാഗതം അയക്കണ്. എല്ലാരും വരണം. ഇത് ദിവസം ഉങ്ങളാണ്. നിങ്ങളെ ജയിക്കണവരെ ദിവസം എല്ലാരും മമ്മികൾക്കും സ്വാഗതം വഹിക്കണം. വെരി നിങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ ആണ്. നിങ്ങൾ വെരി കോമ്പറ്റേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. అందరి మదర్స్ కల్ని స్వాగతం చేస్తా ఉన్నాం. అక్కడ దయవిట్టు రండి, మీ కాంపిటీషన్ ఇక్కడ మీది డే పదు రండి. అన్ని కాంపిటేషన్ లో భాగవేసి మీది ఏముంది దానిలో విన్నర్స్ గా కాంపిటీషన్ చేస్తాము.
Dear parents, when music is on, you have to move to right side around the circle. When music is off, you have to choose any one of the city. You have to come inside and you have to stand. So which other city will pick, and that city will going to blast and they are going to outside. So music. Madam, you have to move outside. No. What? You can run, otherwise dance also. You can have a dance also.
The bomb city is The bomb city is Lucknow.
So Lucknow out. So. Music. Madam, wait and move.
The bomb city is Hyderabad. The bomb city is Hyderabad.
Music.
The bomb city is Chennai. Chennai.
Music.
The bomb city is Bengaluru. Namma Bengaluru. The bomb city is again Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Run. The bomb city is Chennai. The bomb city is Namma Bengaluru. Music song. The bomb city is Lucknow.
Madam, only 3 cities. Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai. Only 3. Music.
The bomb city is Chennai. The bomb city is Hyderabad. The bomb city is Namma. The bomb city is Namma Bengaluru. The bomb city is Hyderabad. The bomb city is Chennai. Parents, even for the gents, are going to start shortly. I request all the papas to be ready.
Wow, the competition is getting deeper. The competition between the two mothers. Let's see who will be the winner. And
the bomb city is Nama Bengaluru.
Congratulations, ma'am. Winning or losing is a part of life. No matter, all our mothers participated today and made this day a wonderful. Please give them a huge round of applause.
All the mamas are winners. Congratulations, mamas.
A relay teaches us that success is passed from one determined heart to another. The boys' relay begins now. So I request all the super dads sitting over here to get ready after this event is the dad events. I request all the dads to boost up your energy and get ready for the next event. The relay race teaches us that success is never achieved alone. It is built on trust, teamwork, perfect timing and unwavering determination. Our super boys ready on the track? Audience, let's encourage our runners. Give them a huge round of applause. They're waiting for the command.
On your mark. Get set.
And they're off. What a brilliant start. Audience, give them a huge round of applause. The track is on fire with determination. Come on, boys, you can do it. Come on, boys, run fast. And here comes the first partner change. The red is in the lead, followed by yellow. Come on, boys, you can do it. Come on, run faster. Look at the incredible speed. Come on, boys. And here comes the next pattern change. Come on, athletes, give it your best. Come on, you can do it. The competition is intense. Come on, boys, run fast. What a wonderful display of sportsmanship. Let's give our participants another big round of applause. And here, they pass the next baton. Let's cheer for amazing athletes. Blue is in lead, followed by red, yellow, and then green. Red overtakes blue. What a combination! Audience, give them a huge round of applause. Congratulations, your winners. Getting ready on their starting line. dear athletes, the true spirit of sports lies not just in winning, but in giving your best. Come on, audience, cheer them up.
The track is set, the athletes are ready, and excitement is building. The track is all set for athletes to fire upon.
Let's cheer our amazing athletes. Give them a huge round of applause.
Competitors, on your mark. Get set.
And a row for an electrifying sprint by athletes.
Come on, boys, you can do it. Come on, run faster.
Keep going, you're stronger than you think.
The track is fire with determination.
Here comes the first banner change, and here they go. Come on, boys, run fast.
Look at that incredible speed. Blue is in the lead, followed by yellow and red. Come on, boys, you can do it.
Come on, boys, run fast. And here comes the next banner change. And a row for a brilliant move. Come on, boys, run fast. And here comes the final banner change.
Come on, boys, every second matters. Come on, don't slow down. Come on, you can do it.
Yellow is in lead, followed by red, blue, and then green. The finish line is on sight. For a fantastic finish. Congratulations, your winners.
The next set of athletes are now ready on their starting line. Audience, give them a huge round of applause.
The roar of your applause is the greatest motivation for our participants. Come on, audience, cheer them up. Give them a huge round of applause. And next set of boys. They're ready on the track for the command.
Get set.
They're off. What a brilliant start. What an electrifying sprint. Audience, give them a huge round of applause.
The athletes are sprinting with incredible speed. Come on, boys, run fast.
Your cheers inspire our athletes. Give them a huge round of applause.
Here comes the first banner change. Come on, boys, run fast.
Green is in the lead, followed by blue. Come on, boys, you can do it. Don't give up.
And here comes the next banner change. And they're off. Come on, boys, run fast.
Once again, green is in the lead, followed by blue and red. Come on, boys, run faster.
And here comes the final banner change.
Champions never give up. Keep moving. Come on, boys, you can do it. The finish line is in sight. And what a fantastic finish. Congratulations, winners.
Now it's time to distribute the prizes for the ladies event. Now I request Mr. Harry Boniface Prabhu to distribute the prizes for the ladies event. First prize goes to Uktini
on your
Tirupati.
Get set.
Second prize goes to Jyoti. And third prize goes to Mrs. Amruta. Congratulations to the well-deserved.
And here they pass the baton.
Yellow is in the lead, followed by red.
Come on, boys, run fast. And here comes the next banner change. Come on, boys, run fast. Run fast. And here comes the final banner change. Come on, boys, run fast. Yellow is in lead, followed by green, red, and then blue. Congratulations, your winners. The 100 meters is the ultimate test of speed, focus, and explosive power. comes the next athlete on the track.
Audience, cheer them up. Give them a thunderous round of applause.
Competitors, on your mark.
Congratulations, mamas, for your active participation.
On your mark.
Thank you, sir.
Get set.
And they're off for a blistering start for athletes. Come on, boys, run fast.
Blue is in the lead, followed by green. Look at that intense competition. Come on, guys, you can do it.
The track is set on fire. And here comes the first banner change. Come on, boys, run fast. And here comes the next banner change.
Champions, don't give up. You can do it. Come on, run faster.
Come on, runners, run fast. And here comes the next banner change. And they're off. Come on, boys, run fast. Finish lines in sight.
Blue is in the lead, followed by red. Come on, boys, you can do it.
Congratulations, dear winners. And next set of athletes.
Parents, your cheers make all the difference. Give them a huge round of applause.
Competitors, on your mark.
The track is ready, the athletes are prepared, and the excitement is building.
And they're off for a brilliant start.
The competition is intense.
Faster, stronger, higher. Give it your all. Come on, boys, run fast. Here comes the first banner change. Come on, boys, run fast.
Come on, you can do it. And here they pass the next baton. Come on, boys, run faster. You can do it. Blue is in the lead, followed by green. Come on, boys.
Come on, boys, run fast. And here comes the final banner change.
Blue is in the lead, followed by green. Come on, boys, you can do it.
Come on, boys, run fast. Congratulations, dear winners.
ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗ ನಂತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾದರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಆಡಿರೋ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂದೆಗಳಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೂಪರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡಿ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್, ನೀವು ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಷನ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಒಂದು ವಿನಂತಿ.
The track is set for the girls.
Our energetic girls are now ready.
Excitement is building and they're waiting for the command.
Competitors, on your mark. Get set.
And they're off for a brilliant start by our girls. Come on, girls, run fast. The track is on fire with determination. Excitement is building. Come on, audience, cheer them up. Give them a huge round of applause.
Come on, girls, you can do it. And here they pass the baton.
Come on, girls. Red is in lead, followed by yellow, blue, and green.
Yellow now overtakes red. Come on, girls, you can do it.
And here comes the next banner change. Come on, girls, run fast.
Champions don't wait for opportunities. They create them. Come on, girls, you can do it.
Come on, let's give it your best.
The louder the cheers, the stronger the spirit. Audience, cheer them up.
Here comes the final banner change.
Yellow is in the lead, followed by red. Come on, girls, you can do it. The finish line is in sight.
Come on, girls, run fast.
Congratulations, winners.
Are you eagerly waiting on this track?
After this event, a kind request to all the fathers to get ready. Next, there is a fathers event.
Competitors on your mark. Get set.
And they're off for a beautiful sprint by girls.
Come on, girls, you can do it.
Come on, athletes, run fast. Audience, cheer them up. Give them a huge round of applause. Here comes the first banner change.
Keep the momentum going, girls. You can do it.
Yellow is in lead, followed by red, blue and green. Come on, girls, run fast. Here comes next banner change.
Come on, girls, run fast. Come on, girls, you can do it. Audience, cheer them up. Give them a huge round of applause.
Every stride brings them closer to glory. And here comes the final banner change.
Yellow is in the lead, followed by red. Come on, girls, you can do it.
Run fast. Finish line is on side.
Finish strong, girls.
Congratulations, your winners.
The next set of energetic girls are now getting ready.
Our girls are waiting for the command. Success comes to those who never stop trying.
Get set.
And they're off for a brilliant start by our girls. Come on, runners, run fast.
Keep the spirit alive. Go, champions, go. You can do it.
A wonderful display of speed and determination. Come on, runners, run fast. And here comes the first banner change. Come on, girls, run fast.
Red is in the lead, followed by yellow. Come on, girls, you can do it.
Come on, runners. And here comes the next banner change.
Don't give up, girls, you can do it.
Faster, stronger, higher. Give it your all.
Red is in the lead, followed by blue and green. Come on, audience, cheer them up.
The excitement is building. Come on, runners, run fast. Red is in lead, followed by blue, green and yellow.
Just a few more meters, girls. The finish line is in sight. And what a fantastic finish. Congratulations, winners.
The track is all set now. And next set of girls are waiting on the track.
Competitors on your mark. Get set.
They're off. What a blistering start. Come on, girls, you can do it.
The athletes are sprinting with incredible speed. Come on, girls, run fast.
Keep going. You're stronger than you think. You can do it.
And here comes the first banner change. Come on, girls, run fast.
Blue is in the lead, followed by yellow and green. Come on, girls, you can do it.
Come on, girls. Here comes the next banner change. Keep the spirit alive. Go, champions, go. Run fast.
A wonderful display of speed and determination. Come on, girls, you can do it. Run faster.
And here comes the final banner change.
Blue is in the lead, followed by yellow. Come on, girls, you can do it. The finish line is in sight.
And what a fantastic finish. Congratulations to all the girls.
Now getting ready on the track. Audience, cheer them up.
Keep cheering, keep smiling, and let's make the Silver Jubilee Sports Meet truly unforgettable.
Competitors, on your mark. Get set.
And here they go, what an electrifying sprint by our girls.
Sportsmanship shines brighter than medals. Come on, girls, you can do it. Blue is in the lead, followed by yellow and red.
Come on, girls, run fast. And here comes the first banner change.
And here they go. Come on, girls, you can do it.
Come on, girls, run fast.
Don't slow down now. Come on, girls, you can do it. Run faster.
And here comes the next banner change. Come on, girls, you can do it.
Every runner deserves appreciation today. Audience, cheer them up.
Come on, girls, run fast. Yellow is in lead, followed by green, blue, and red. Come on, girls, run fast.
The finish line is in sight, and that's a fantastic finish. Congratulations, winners.
Competitors, on your mark. Get set.
Come on, girls, run fast. Run fast. Here they pass the baton. Here they go. Come on, girls, run fast. The track is set on fire with determination. And here comes the next banner change.
Come on, girls, don't give up. You can do it. You're stronger than you think.
Come on, girls, run fast. Red is in lead, followed by blue, yellow, and green.
Run with confidence, courage, and pride. And here they change the pattern.
Come on, girls, run fast. Red is in lead, followed by blue, yellow, and green. The finish line is in sight. Come on, girls, don't give up. Congratulations, your winners.
Teaches us that strength is the best expressed through encouragement. Dear fathers, we invite you to participate in the event. Come on, papas. A winner is not someone who is born a winner. A winner is someone who plans to win. It's time for the prizes to be requested. Reverend Brother Santosh CSC, Provincial Superior, Mr. Vivek Pradhan, Mr. Vijay, to distribute the prizes to the well-deserved.
अब बारी है सभी सुपर डैड्स की। आइए मैदान में। Yes, yes. Wow, I can see some fathers coming out. Very good. Superhero, super dads are coming out. எல்லா அப்பாக்களும் மைதானத்தில் இறங்கி விளையாட பங்கேற்குமாறு கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம். அப்பாக்களும் வரலாம். సూపర్ నానాలు అందరికీ గ్రౌండ్ లోకి వెల్కమ్. ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ಆಟ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. सुपर पापा राफील एसो जोर से सारे अब्बा को मैं ग्राउंड में आने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ। Wow, what a team spirit of Super Dot. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. The bomb city is Chennai. The bomb city is Hyderabad. The bomb city is Lucknow. The bomb city is Nama Bengaluru. Spread out tapas. The bomb city is once again Chennai. Once again, the bomb city is Chennai. Spread out tapas, spread out dance. Come on, run, run, run. The bomb city is Hyderabad. The bomb city is Garden City, Bengaluru. Spread out, dads, come on. Spread out. Run, 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 run. The bomb city is Lucknow. The bomb city is Hyderabad. Spread out, dads. Come on, spread out. Walk, walk, walk. Run, run, run. The bomb city is Chennai. Music's on. The bomb city is Bengaluru. The bomb city is Lucknow. Congratulations, winners. Now I request Mr. Gopinath to distribute the prizes for the girls' relay. Reverend Brother Santosh CSC, our Provincial Superior, to distribute the prizes for the gents event. First place goes to Mr. GVRV, Mr. Guru Raju. Second place goes to Mr. J. Karthik. And third place goes to Prakash Gowda, Mr. Prakash Gowda. Congratulations to all the papas. Now I request Reverend Dr. Anthony Raj CSE to honor Mr. Nellur Ali Ram Prasad with a shawl. Thank you, brothers and sir.
Every ending is the beginning of another dream. As today's sports meet draws to a close, let us cherish the memories we have created together. Every ending is the beginning of another dream. As today's sports meet draws to a close, let us cherish the memories we have created together. Now our students are getting ready for the house march.
Groups, attention! Groups, forward, march!
Champions are made when potentials are converted into performance. Work hard in silence. Let success be your noise. I request Honorable Guest of Honor to announce and distribute prize, which is the limelight of the program.
Groups, studies.
Hello. Okay. I'm very happy to announce the beautiful March Past winners, runners and losers. See, there's nothing called winning, losing and running. Okay? We are all champions. Imagine, we are all, yes, that's most important. So the third place goes to Yellow House. Okay. Oh, sorry, fourth. Sorry, I'm sorry. The fourth place goes to Yellow House, 137 points. And the third place goes to Green House, 139 points. And the Red House in the second position goes to Red House and 141 points. So naturally, the Blue House is the first, 143. So you have done exceptionally very close. So it's a close fight. So God bless you all. Thank you.
Now I request our Provincial Superior to announce the overall championship. I request Provincial Superior to announce the overall championship.
So good morning to all of you. I suppose you already know these scores. Any guess? who is in the fourth place? Okay, the fourth place goes to Greenhouse with 321 points. And Red House has bagged the third place with 359 points. Yellow House, second place with 365. And obviously, first place is to Blue House with 403 points.
Congratulations to all the winners.
I got a fever coming on. And I'm
Once again, congratulations to all our winners. We thank you, sir and brother, for crowning our winners who participated with great enthusiasm.
Better, you have to stand. Groups, attention!
Though the flags descend today, the spirit it represents will forever fly high in our hearts. We now proceed with the lowering of the sports flag and handing over the school flag. The sports flag is being folded for the handover. Our CPL will hand over the sports flag to our guest of honor. Now, our guest of honor in written hands it over to our principal. Thank you, brother and sirs.
It's not joy that makes us grateful. It is a gratitude that makes us joyful. It is time to express our gratitude to all those wonderful people who have made this event possible and also successful. I invite Ms. Divyaji, our sports leader, to propose the vote of thanks.
Group, studies.
Whitefield. First and foremost, we thank Almighty God for His abundant blessings, protection, and guidance throughout this wonderful celebration. We are grateful for the pleasant weather, good health, and successful completion of today's program. We express our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Air Commodore TTT Job AVSM, VSM retired, our guest of honor, Dr. Ari Boniface Prabhu, Padma Shri awardee and international wheelchair tennis champion, and our special invitee, Reverend Brother Santosh CSC, Provincial Superior, St. Andre Province, Bengaluru. Thank you for honoring us with your presence and your inspiring words that have motivated our students. We sincerely thank all the Reverend brothers, sisters, fathers, heads of institution, PTA members, old student association members, and our distinguished guests for being with us and making this celebration more meaningful. Heartfelt thanks to our principal and correspondent, Reverend Brother Dr. Anthony Raj CSC, Reverend Brother Chaco CSC, Administrator, Reverend Father Ashok Vino CSC, Reverend Brother Paul CSC, Reverend Brother Arul Jeevan CSC, Reverend Brother Andrea CSC, Mr. Nagraj, Vice Principal, and the entire management for the support and guidance. A special word of appreciation to our Physical Education Department, teachers, coordinators, non-teaching staff, transport and maintenance team, volunteers, student leaders, and the organizing committee. Your hard work and teamwork made this event a grand success. We thank our parents and well-wishers for your valuable presence and constant support. Your encouragement inspires our students to achieve greater heights. Finally, congratulations to all our participants and winners. Whether you won a medal or not, you have displayed discipline, determination, and true sportsmanship. You are all winners. Thank you to everyone who contributed directly or indirectly to the success of this Silver Jubilee Annual Sports Meet. May God bless you all. Have a safe journey home. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Divyaji, for the words of gratitude.
United in spirit, united in pride, united as one nation. May I request everyone to kindly rise for national anthem.
School, attention.
The race may end, the cheers may fade, and the medals may find their place. But the values of discipline, teamwork, perseverance, and sportsmanship will continue to inspire us every day. Until we meet again on another field of dreams. Thank you for being a part of this wonderful celebration. Have a blessed day.
Group, attention. Group, disperse.
request all the staff to come to the stage for a photograph. Now we request all the staff to come near the stage for the photograph.
Change it and say,